Na-receive namin yun ng October 3. So, ilang days lang. So, nandiyan ang 3 steps to apply. Narito na ang procedures ng YouTube para kumita sa ads ngayong taon gamit ang Google AdSense. Let's go! So, para makapag-setup ka ng AdSense account, so you still need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours sa YouTube.
Okay.
Bukod doon, you need to pass a 2-step verification at syempre follow the community guidelines. So before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And of course, share nyo na rin tong video na to para mas marami pa tayong matulungan. Alright, so once na-pass mo na lahat ng requirements ni YouTube to earn money, ganito na ang lalabas sa YouTube Studio Earn tab mo. Apply to the YouTube Partner Program as a partner. You can earn money, get creator support, and sabi dito, apply to the YouTube Partner Program as a partner. You can earn money, get creator support, and more, sabi dito. So, kapag lumabas na yan, just click apply now. You see, all it takes is isang video na trending, no? At makukuha mo na agad ang watch hours na kailangan mo to get monetized.
Lord, salamat po sa biyaya.
So, let's click apply now. Nandiyan ang 3 steps to apply. Number 1, review base terms. Kailangan natin daw basahin yan. Click start. So, basahin nyo mabuti, pero kung excited naman kayo, just scroll down to the very bottom, tulad ko. So, check I accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. At yan, leave it check yung email me updates, announcements, kasi important yan. Click accept. Once done, to earn money, start na natin ang sign up for Google AdSense. Kasi si AdSense ang magbabayad sa atin. Tatanungin niya tayo dito if do we have an AdSense account. Kung wala, click no. So make sure na wala kayong existing AdSense account para di kayo magkaroon ng problema while setting this up. Pero kung meron naman kayong existing AdSense account, just click yes. So, in our case, yung no ang pinili namin. Then, click next. Choose an account. Dapat yung email na gamit mo sa YouTube ang pipiliin mo. At pagka-click mo nyan, you start filling up the AdSense form. So, dito sa AdSense, di mo nagagalawin yung box na yan. Default na yan na nakalagay dyan yung YouTube URL. So, get more out of AdSense. Click yes para lagi kang updated. So, select your country. Kung Pinoy ka, just hanapin ang Philippines. So, kung foreigner ka, just find your country. And, yeah. Wala sa choices kung alien ka na.
I want to learn about your planet and your great nation.
Then sabi nila dyan, please review and accept our terms and conditions. So ito na yung parang pinaka-kontrata natin kay Google.
Nice.
Click yes. I have read and accept the agreement. Wala ka namang ibang choice kundi i-click yan kung gusto mong ma-monetize na. So, then create account. So, yan. Pagka-create mo ng AdSense account mo, maglalagay na tayo ng mga personal information natin dyan. Lagay natin yung name and address. Make sure na yung name na ilalagay natin dyan is yung legal name, same as our government IDs. At also yung address is yung address na makaka-receive ng snail mail from our post office. Once fill out, click submit. So pagka-submit natin, i-review na ni AdSense ang ating account. Sabi dyan, reviews usually take less than a day, but in some cases can take a bit longer. So, kung may errors or duplicate AdSense account, madalas dyan nagkatagal. So, yan, i-redirect na tayo uli ni AdSense kay YouTube Studio after that. So, ganun. Napakasimple lang, di ba? So, yan, in progress na tayo sa sign up for Google AdSense. So, take note, ginawa ko to September 4 at 8:28 a.m. September 5, 8:43 a.m. So, 1 day pa lang ang lumipas. Chinek ko ang YouTube Studio namin. And yun, all good na si AdSense agad. Nakalagay na you have successfully linked an AdSense account. Kaya in progress na. Kusa ng review ni YouTube ang aming channel. So sa case nyo, just make sure lahat ng videos nyo is walang copyright. Kung meron man, siguro may mga ilan lang, siguro isa or dalawa. In our case, meron din kaming dalawang mayroong music copyright issues. So 3:56 p.m. same day, na-receive ko na agad ang email ni YouTube na you did it. Omar Lifestyle TV, you've been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. At ito na ang lalabas sa YouTube Studio or tab nyo na you're a YouTube partner na. So, congratulations na. So, congrats sa'yo na nanonood ngayon. You're almost there. So, starting the day na na-notify ka at na-set up mo na ang mga ads sa mga videos mo, yes, you are already monetizing all of those videos. Once na na-reach mo na yung $10 revenue, makaka-receive ka ng email from AdSense to verify your identity. So, basahin nyo mga details sa email na yan. And once naintindihan nyo na, click this Verify Now button. At pumili lang kayo ng browser na gusto nyo. Pero bago yon, make sure na legit na si Google yung nag-send ng email. So, check the email address na ginamit na para iwas phishing at manakaw yung mga YouTube accounts nyo. Sayang naman. So, sabi dito, an ID is required to verify you. Pili ka kung anong meron ka. Kung meron kang driver's license, passport, national ID, or residence permit. Click agree and start verification. So yan, like I said earlier, kailangan natin ng ilagay ang legal name natin, same as our IDs. In my case, I just use national ID card. So just upload the front and back. Yung pwede nyo na siyang isave sa mga phones nyo bago nyo gawin to. So then, next. Sa part na to, yung address kung saan ka nakatira presently ang ilalagay mo para ma-receive mo ang verification PIN na isa-send ni Google AdSense. Pagkasabit mo nyan, ito nang lalabas. Verification in progress na. Just click got it. Ganito na magiging itsura ng verification tab ng Google AdSense mo. Your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. So may pinadala silang email envelope sa'yo na may nakasulat na 6-digit PIN na ilalagay mo sa box na to complete your verification. So, in our case, September 11 nila pinadala at na-receive namin yun ng October 3. So, ilang days lang. So, yun, since na-receive na natin yung PIN, i-set up na natin yan. So, sa desktop site ng studio o YouTube Studio, may notification dyan about the PIN kasi di nila tayo pasasahurin na hanggat hindi natin yan nasa-set up. So, go to your AdSense. Yan o, nakalagay your payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. Go to verification check. Enter mo dito yung 6 PIN na nakasulat sa sobre na na-receive mo from AdSense. Once na-input mo na, it will show na address verification is completed na. At itong notification na to is mawawala na yan once ni-refresh mo ang website. So don't worry. So yun, natapos na natin ang verification check at mag-aantay na lang tayo ng sahod. So don't worry kung $0 pa ang nakalagay dyan. So kahit meron namang nakalagay na earnings sa YouTube Studio mo, kasi this will update every 11 or 12 of the month. So, maghintay lang tayo. Alright, so sa next video natin, nandun kung paano tayo mag-fill up ng payment at tax information bago na tayo makasahod. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. And peace.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.